Yo, welcome back, y'all. By popular demand, well, actually from a few family members of mine, I want to talk about how you can buy your first crypto today. It's Carpe Diem with me. So, yep. Okay. I was just talking to my sister, and she was like, yo, you need to make a video on how people can actually get in the game. How people can actually buy their first cryptocurrency. And I was like, you know what? You right. So what we're about to do today is we're going to dive in, and I'm going to walk y'all through step by step where to go, how to do, where to put your money at. Okay? I'm gonna show you how to buy some Dogecoin today. Where to go buy this Dogecoin. Alright, let's get it. Oh! Big bro in the building. Me and Dawn.
Good crypto community.
Yeah.
Let's get this money.
Yes, sir. We're here. Oh. It's about to get litty. And be right back. We back at it again for y'all tuning in. This is where y'all can buy y'all cryptos. If you're a beginner, welcome. Okay, if you're a veteran, welcome also. You might already know this information, but we're gonna perform a refresher, okay? So, by popular demand, they want to know where you can buy your crypto at. We give you 5 options, okay? 5 options to get this thing, to get your crypto investment time, get beginning in crypto. All right, so boom. You got your Robinhood. Boom shakalaka. Here we go. Robinhood is the first because it's very beginner friendly, as you should already know. It's easy to use, easy to get in, buy your crypto and everything. It's very popular, especially amongst the beginner investors, you know, just starting out. So you can easily go in here. You can sign up for the crypto account and gets the buying Doge and Ethereum and all that. This is option number 1. I would say your option number 2 should be Webull. Webull is a personal favorite of mine for buying stocks, and you can also buy your crypto in here too. Okay, I think I just bought some Doge today too, like bought like $50 worth of Doge. $50 of Doge, you know, it's not a lot, but I got some skin in the game. I got get some little skin in the gizzle, you know what I'm saying? That's all. Let me see. You gonna let me sign in this joint? Let's see. Doge. See, you can type in Doge and shit right here. Go right up in here and buy it. Guess what? It's on my account. Oh, see, I'm already in here. Unlock. You know, passwords and all that is always good. We go to markets. Here we go. Here's Doge. As you can see, y'all. As you can see, right here, we got it. 88 shares or coins at 55 cents, and it's at 57 right now for Doge. Now, I only put $50 in, so I only got 88, but as you can see, it's possible, it's doable. You know, if you want to come here, you place your trade. You know, you say you want to buy, limit sell, you want to buy, let's say too shit. I only got $1.15 in this joint. So probably ain't gonna let me buy it because I spent all my money 2 hours ago. But yep, as you can see, I just proved it to y'all. Y'all can buy it right here on Webull. Insufficient crypto buying power to place this order. All right. This is number 2. Okay. Number 3 should be for the greatest asset. Now, for full disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. You know, I'm just a guy up the street. I could be a neighbor. I'm just a neighborhood dude that does a lot of research in his spare time about these matters, okay? And I want to keep my peoples enlightened on where and how they can buy their crypto and bubble and double they bready poo. All right. So Voyager, would be the next one. Voyager right here. Boom. Now, Voyager is very user-friendly, beginner-friendly. They are literally calling this the Robinhood of crypto, right? I don't know if Robinhood owns this company. Don't quote me on that. But that's what they're saying. It's like a Robinhood, but strictly for crypto. What I like about Voyager is that, look at this. You got Doge right here. You got ADA. You can buy all these coins. And it has a lot of real cheap coins on here. Like you can literally buy something I like called BitTorrent for way less than a penny, for like a half a penny right now. You throw like $100, $50 on there, you're gonna clean up several thousand coins. So eventually that's gonna blow up like a Dogecoin. So if you have the time, go in here and look that thing on up. It might be worth your while. Okay, so Voyager is a good look for us. Voyager is definitely a great look for us because of all the cheap micro cap coins you can actually get in before they blow. Okay. All right. Of course we're gonna have what's this? Exit out some of this stuff here. So we're gonna go to a Coinbase. Coinbase is number 4. Okay, Coinbase is number 4. Y'all already know what it's hitting for. Coinbase is by far the most popular brokerage account for crypto out right now. You just go here, set yourself up a nice little account. You can buy all the goodies, but unfortunately you can't buy Dogecoin or XRP on this platform, but you can buy a whole bunch of other little goodies that's overpriced. If you want to be frank, you know, it's very overpriced, y'all. So you know, I usually use this. I'm gonna get into what I use Coinbase for, and probably in the next video. And I use Coinbase as like a digital hub, and which you're also going to need once you get into this game and once you start buying your cryptos. You're going to want to establish yourself a digital hub, and then you're going to want to have like a digital wallet. Duh. You're going to want to have a digital hub and a digital wallet, right? And what I would do is, as you buying your cryptos, the ones you want to keep for long term, you know, buy them and then store them in an encrypted digital wallet where you can just hold for the long term. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I usually do. I buy it in these different exchanges, and then once I have them situated in these different exchanges, I take it and I throw it in my digital wallet. Okay? But this video is for where you can buy it and get your feet wet. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Okay. Alright, so we got Coinbase, expensive, a lot of good coins in here, popular, you know what I'm saying? Just like the Fidelity or the Charles Schwab of crypto. Okay? Now, most important by far would be Uphold.
Uphold is a goodie. The
reason I said Uphold is a goodie is because it is the only place I know of where you can find XRP easily. Now, for my people in the beautiful state of New York, my hometown, you won't have the opportunity to buy or do business with Uphold because of, I don't know what type of regulations they have on New York, but it's freaking stupid, dude. You know, I don't understand. It's really stupid. Why they would have that type of restrictions, or why they don't want New Yorkers buying crypto. But there's a workaround. I'm not going to recommend y'all the VPNs and stuff. What I would say is find you a cousin, a brother, sister, uncle, any family member out of state, and be like, yo, please do this for me. I'm going to send you, I'm going to cash at you. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to cash at that bread to you.
And we're going to cash at that bread. And, you know, open up this Uphold account for me. You know, in your name, I trust you. Woot wah woot. Buy this XRP for me. It's very important, y'all. Buy this XRP. And once they buy it, you can then get it shipped from Uphold out of his account and get it transferred into the digital encrypted wallet like I was telling y'all. And that's the workaround, okay? I might go into that in my next video. What y'all think? Comment in the link below if you would like to see me go into how you can transfer cryptos from all over the world and pull them in one unique wallet in your phone. Okay? That's why I'm here. All right.
Okay, so we got Uphold, and another thing I wanted to show y'all is where is XRP. CoinMarketCap, don't forget about this. CoinMarketCap is the place where you can go and do research on all the coins that you know you're interested in. Right now I got XRP here, but we can easily bring up Doge. Oh, look at Doge, that thing is ripping. That thing is ripping. 57, it went down to 30 something cents, and now it's back up. I like looking at this. It gives all the statistics of the coin, and my favorite part, and it shows the max and total supply. It lets me know how valuable and rare a coin could be, because this max supply, they're not making no more. They can't print no more like the dollar. Once a max supply is out there, it's out there. Okay? And that's why I like XRP. Because you can go and you can see that XRP has just 100 billion. In due time, that 100 billion is going to be less and less and less. And then the demand going to go up, and then the FOMO, fear of missing out, is going to set in, the FOMO. It is going to go to the moon. Hopefully, I got my whole life savings on XRP, y'all. So if y'all ever see XRP hit like extreme heights, just know I'm gonna be filthy.
Just know I'm gonna be filthy. You're gonna be like, yo, what the? Yo, XRP is all on the news talking about it's blown the hell up. Well, Carpe Diem, he always used to say he got a boatload of them. I'm about to, yo, he probably filthy right now. You know what I'm saying? Filthy. All right.
But yeah, that's where we going. We want to type in anything, but remember this: CoinMarketCap, to do y'all research on the cryptos y'all gonna buy. Okay, we can do ADA. ADA is bubbling. You know why? Because it's a good coin, and it also has a maximum supply, and it pays like a dividend too. You buy and hold ADA, you can get paid dividends. They'll pay you in even more ADA as you hold it. 8,000% rate of return. Ooh, you're getting that nowhere. I hope I clarified some things for you. You know, we got the Webull, we got the Robinhood, we got the Uphold, we got the Coinbase, okay? and the Voyager account. Okay. All right.
And so that was another banger. I hope y'all enjoy it. Put a lot into this video, a lot of editing, took a lot of time, but I think y'all gonna get value from what I've shown y'all. And again, it's Carpe Diem. Oh, almost forgot, got my boy here.
Hey, what's good, Soul family? How you guys doing? So, I'm here today. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all seen me in the past videos, but you know, I'm gonna come out with a channel soon. It's gonna be pretty much about the same thing, crypto. We're gonna be talking about a lot of different assets, you know, Forex. We're gonna be talking about wholesaling, you know, credit, LLCs. We're gonna talk about the whole nine, and we're gonna level up as a family, soul family, right? And I hope to see you at the top. Make sure you guys are getting your bags up, right? That XRP, #1. Let's make sure we also are doing dollar cost averaging and not buying at all-time highs. We have to do our due diligence. Let's make sure we playing this game the right way and we not getting swept under the rug. You know, I don't want nobody losing any money. We all trying to level up, make it to the other side. So I'm gonna come out with my channel, and me and my guy Carpe Diem, we gonna be working together, and hopefully you guys, you know, get a lot of value from this channel. I hope you guys do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Eventually, I'll give you guys my channel. That way you can know where to find me. And let's get to work.